Hello folks, welcome to the channel. If you wish to learn how to rebuild the icon thumbnail cache, then watch this video. So it's very simple folks. You need to just open the run dialog, pressing the Windows and the R button, and then you need to copy this command. This command you will find in the description of this video, and then just paste it here and then click on enter. Now you will see this icon cache. So just make sure that all of them are copied right up till here, and then click on delete. And once you click on delete, you need to click on the start button, the power button, and click on restart, and your icon cache will be reset. Now if you want to reset the thumbnail cache, you will do the same thing. Just click on thumbnail cache, come back to the same file using the command given in the description of this video, and you need to select all of them. Hold the control button while you're clicking on them one by one, and you need to, once you're done selecting all of them, then you can just click on delete. Do the same thing again once you delete them. Just and before you restart the computer folks, I forgot to tell you one thing with the cache and with the thumbnails also. Before you restart the computer, you need to empty the recycle bin. Right click on it and click on empty recycle bin. Then restart the computer by pressing the start button, pressing the power button, and then click on restart, and your thumbnail cache should also be reset. If this video helped you, then kindly subscribe to the channel. Enjoy your day.